What's up, guys? So GPT-4o mini just got out just the other day. I think it's yesterday, and it's one of the greatest things to have happened this year. It's literally as powerful as GPT-4o, but 60% cheaper than GPT-3.5 Turbo. Like, isn't that crazy? Look at the announcement they sent me. Hi there, exciting news. Today we introduced GPT-4o mini, our new affordable and intelligent small model that's significantly smarter, cheaper, and just as fast as GPT-3.5 Turbo, and launched in the API. Here's what you need to know. And all this, so it says how intelligent GPT-4o mini is compared to the most commonly used GPT-3.5 Turbo, and I'll show you some benchmarks where it will show you how powerful it is compared to the other models. And you can see here in the price, it literally costs 15 cents per 1 million input tokens and 60 cents per 1 million output tokens. That is crazy. So that means like now the AI systems would now be deployed to as many situations and platforms as possible, because the cost of running such AI systems is way less. Like, the good thing we have is we have hope that these AI models are going to become cheaper and cheaper with time, because if you look at the beginning when they released, let's say, Text DaVinci, back then in the let's say 1 year or 2 years ago, the costs right now are 99% cheaper than Text DaVinci, but yet still more powerful. So you can expect the models to become more and more powerful, but the cost to become cheaper and cheaper as these LLM companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic fight to be able to produce better models and give the pricing and the cost at a cheaper place. So it's a crazy thing to happen. Let me just show you the benchmarks. So here you can go to the OpenAI website. You'll be able to find this article on GPT-4o mini, and you can see it here. It's not just fluff. You can see here it's 60% cheaper than GPT-3.5 Turbo, and yet as intelligent as GPT-4o. And you can see here the benchmarks are here. So based on all these benchmarks, MMLU, GPQA, all these benchmarks that are normally used to compare new LLMs or new large language models to compare how powerful they are, you can see here GPT-4o mini is in orange. Compared to Gemini Flash, which is the orange, Cloud Haiku, which is the cheapest version of and the fastest version of the Cloud LLM models. Then we have 3.5 Turbo, the one we are most commonly used and the cheapest option that we normally go for, is being beaten by GPT-4o by far. Let's go to the next benchmark. Same thing here. GPT-4o outcompetes all of them, apart from GPT-4o obviously, but GPT-4o mini is really doing great for the cost that it's being availed at. You can see here next in the drop, all this, you can see GPT-4o mini is really performing very well. Another critical thing is how good it is in terms of function calling. So one thing people as AI developers really liked about GPT-4o when it was released is how good it was in function calling and handling actions. When, let's say, for example, the user said send me an email or something, it's able to get that intent and call the relevant function to handle that functionality. So it was really good at that, especially when you're dealing with the Assistants API by OpenAI, which makes it easy for AI developers to build AI agents by just leveraging the Assistants API, providing a prompt, providing a knowledge base, and some actions. Okay, so when you provide the actions, you need an LLM, an AI model that's really good at calling those functions when the user asks for that specific functionality. So GPT-4o was really good at it, but the thing is, it was expensive. Okay, but now with GPT-4o mini, you get the same level of functionality, the same exceptional function calling, but at way cheaper cost. Way cheaper than GPT-4o, but even way cheaper than GPT-3.5 Turbo. I think the future is bright. I'm really excited to start playing around with this LLM, this new model, and the future is bright because we know it's these models can become more cheap but become way more powerful. Anyways, till next time, stay survey. Peace.